Solo sex. Again, that's kind of unconservative. It is non-conservative sex. Wanking off. Okay? Masturbation is good. If you have a lot of shame, or if you trained yourself to be like a ninja sex star because you slept in the same room with somebody growing up, where the bathroom walls were this thin, and you're used to wanking off and being completely silent, I get it. I was once like you too. I think making noise is awesome, and now that you might not be annoying your roommates or your parents or somebody like that, I do advocate when you masturbate, when it's appropriate, make lots of noise. Because you can retrain yourself to not be so ninja-like. You can always go back to being a sex ninja and having sex and making no noise, right? And I once had a lover, like, we had amazing sex. I was like, so how was it? And she's like, you're like a fucking ninja, dude. Like, you make no noise. I'm like, really? She's like, yeah. She's like, make some noise next time. I'm like, okay. All right. Good note, good talk. Yes. Noise next time. And now I'm like, I can be noisy, and it feels really great. The noise stuff is really useful because when you make noise in bed, okay, you're giving your partner permission to make noise in bed. And when you're trying to figure out what they like, and they go, oh, you're like, ah. That thing with like that. I think they like that. Let's try that again. The thing with that, and they're like, ah. You're like, I believe we have something here. The thing in the thing this way. Awesome. Put that on the fridge, so I remember it later. Next. But if they're not making any sound, you're like, thing in the. No, that didn't work. Where secretly they're like, okay, please do that again. Please do it again. But they're not talking! So make noise, okay? And I have an exercise that's interactive with you guys, okay? So on a scale from 1 to 10, okay, 1 being, really, we should start watching TV now. 10 being, oh my God, the neighbors are gonna call the cops on us, okay? I would like y'all to take a deep breath and then let out a pleasurable sound somewhere, between a 2 and a 3. Okay? We're all here together, we're all in this together. Okay? So this is just 2 or 3. Okay? So take a deep breath. You go, ah. Okay, this is good. If you're embarrassed, just close your eyes. Okay? So now we're going to take another deep breath. We're going to let out a sigh or a moan or a noise. It's more like a 4.5 to 5. Okay? Take a deep breath. Okay, this is good. This is good. You're feeling loosened up. Your blood's oxygenated. Now your neighbors aren't so, they're not looking at you like. Okay? So now I want you to, now we're going to go for I want to see what a 7. I want to hear a 7 from you all. Okay? So take a deep breath. Okay, good. This is good. This is good. Remember, I'm with the mic. It's so much louder than you. I can't even hear you guys. It's me all alone up here. So you can make as much noise as you want while we crank it up now to like a 9.7. Okay? Close your eyes because I know you're going to be embarrassed. After we do this, I want you to sit in your head and be going, holy shit, I don't believe I just did that. Okay? So ready? We're going for 9.7. Inhale. I believe we can do better. Okay? What I want is who's ever studying down the hall to be like, wow, I really should have gone to that. Okay? So now what I want you to do is you're going to, as you inhale, I want you to squeeze your thighs and squeeze your ass and then let out through your throat like an 11, okay? I'm going to go for an 11. Ready? 1, 2, 3, inhale. Oh! Yeah! Okay. That was good. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, so now this is a freebie. This isn't even in my notes. This is just a freebie to you all. Okay, this is the tip. Okay, there's 4 types of orgasms. There's a positive orgasm, a negative orgasm, a religious orgasm, and then a fake orgasm. Okay, positive orgasm. You might know what that sounds like. It sounds like this. Yes. Oh yes. Uh-huh. Yep. What do you think a negative orgasm sounds like?
No, not again.
Oh no. Not now. No. Oh, no. Religious orgasm? You got that one. Fake orgasm. Oh, Reid. Oh, Reid. Oh, Reid. Thank you for laughing. Alright, solo sex. That is our solo sex. Celibacy. Not having sex. Okay? That's totally cool. If you are in, like, you just don't want to have sex, you're not in the mood, you're just taking a break, you're on hiatus, you're taking a sabbatical from romance and intimacy. That's cool. Honor that shit. Alright? I'm not up here like the slut, queer, polyamorous dude to tell you that celibacy is bad. I didn't lose my virginity until I was like 18 and a half or something like that. Okay? I have friends who are old and virgins. Some of them are angry, but they're angry because of a lot of other things, and then it just kind of blocked their sex stuff. Okay, so again, like, I just want to say, like, if you're not into having sex right now, or you're feeling like you just don't even have a sex drive, or you're not interested in sex at all, you're more like on the asexual end of it, it's perfectly fine. Like, honor those choices, and if people are like teasing you or being weird with you about that, fuck them and drop them as friends. Like, they're just uncomfortable about something. Okay? Hang out with cool people. The cool people are the ones who aren't busting your balls unless they love you and it's in friendship. Or you ask them to bust your balls because you're kinky. Okay? Just saying.